Welcome guys. Today in a quick tip we'll talk about hood hinges and hoods and the cost of them. So look at the Volvo right here. Is you can see it's been worked on. The reason is the hood shocks were bad, and those are probably bad as well, which means we're gonna have to swap them. But this is how we're gonna see there's been work done on the hinge base, and the base has been ripped out because when the shock doesn't do its job, when you open it, you drop it and it just rips out right here. It breaks, and that's definitely something you want to check. And in the Freightliner you have straps like so right here, so that's a little bit better. The hinge isn't as strong as the Volvo. It's a different design. You have it in the middle, but what happens is when the stops right here get worn out, or sometimes it's loose and they they drop, you're gonna have damage to your hood or your body here. It's gonna start rubbing, so it's good to check that out. It's expensive to work on that. To get a new hood when it starts breaking is definitely expensive, I know from experience, and you definitely want to stay ahead of it. And in Volvo and any other truck for that matter, just make sure the hood opens properly so you don't have to spend a lot of money on your hood. Talk to you soon. Subscribe if you haven't. Drive safe.